Magandang hapon mga kabola. Let's begin our first game for tonight. Battle between Is It Good Honey versus Sneakerheads. First five for Sneakerheads. Number 27 Tumale. Number 6 Padulyo. Satuito number 9. Number 0. 23 Iwarat. Valencia. Number mo Boss Batang. Number 8. Ayun, number 8. Number 22 Rabadon. Consorte. Number 5 Gonzales. Number 14 Balinan. And number 15 Arabas. 34.
Kayo, laban yung sarili nyo, pati kalaban nyo.
Nakaraan kasi walang uniform.
Patalahin mo natin, yung isang pasakay.
Ito, dalawa.
Dalawa pasakay, patalahin mo natin.
Oo.
Ismael, saka si ano? Taha, pasakay.
Wala pang jersey, no? Wala pa kang jersey. Yun lang. Magtakin ka. Mamaya hindi ko na kayo papaalalahanan. Ayun, tapikan, Rabadon, to Consorte, back to Rabadon, pass to Balinan, and pupukol, ay na, Sablay, Satuito for the rebound, pass to Padullo, Portre, Sumablay, ay na, Valencia fake, Padullo 10, Tumale, Satuito, Padullo, ayun, Sablay, rebound, Gonzales. Arabas. To Gonzales, open. Sumablay. And Satuito to win the ball. Pass to Tumale, open. Sablay, Padullo for the rebound. And Valencia. Traveling. Consorte. 18 Gonzales. 14 Balinan. 10 basket count coming from Balinan for 2. And Padillo driving the ball. Pass to Tumale. Shot clock 14. Iwanat. Back to Padillo. 8. And good ball yan. Consorte driving the ball. Pass to Arabas. At meron ng foul na ginawag number 27. Tumale first personal foul. First team foul. And Arabas shooting too. Kaya naman kasi niya yung bagsa. Sabi ko, huwag dumaan dito. Yung madala natin yung bagsa ulit. Kaya mo ko na yung pa. Ang basket coming from Arabas. He scored 3-0 in 8 minutes and 4. Ayun na, Satuito. The blow there, Sablay, Balinan for the rebound. Pass to Consorte. Pass to Arabas. Arabas, bibit-bit. Ball has been trimmed. Consorte for 3. Sumablay, rebound, Iwarat, paso tumali. Ay na, tumali. Oh, may foul na dun. Ay, Consorte, number 0. First personal foul. First team foul and 2 free throws for Tumali. O, yung isa, Boss Batang. Dito, Boss Toyo. O, nang tira sa blind, last throw. Ayun, rebound, Gonzalez, paso Consorte. And Consorte, paso Rabadon. The floater Sablay. And Arabas. Ganda ng assist, Consorte Sablay. Rabadon for the rebound. And Rabadon, yun, good ball yan. Tumali, ayun na. Iwarat, hing the ball. Ang bumangga, giba. Ayun, traveling. Eh, kahit ako, hindi ko alam eh. Ayun na, Boss Batang. For the rebound. Paso Padulyo. And Padulyo lilipat. Good ball yan. Basket yan. Come from Padulyo.
Dalawa nga sana kagabi. Binalibag na lang yung bola eh. Nashoot pa eh.
Ayon sa blind, sa Turito for the rebound. Ayun, still, Arabas, paso Rabadon. Binalik pa, ayun, tapon sa bao. Nagkahiya ang pantumira. 6 minutes and 12. Ayun na, Padulyo. Paso Iwara. And basket down, Gayong Bram. Extra rise, Iwarad. Bulldozer tawag ko dyan eh. Ayun na. Gonzalez. Pupukol ng 3. Bang! Gonzalez for 3. He scored 6-4 in favor of Is It Good Honey. For 10 to shoot. Ayun na, Arabas. Giving the ball. Arabas angat. Basket count. Timeout. Is Snickerhead.
Sige mamaya, busog. Bilis pa sa tayo.
Back to the ball game. Talo ang sila lamang. Maalat din si Brown din. Tutang na yung pera, so kalat na naman eh. Ayun na, Taha. Good ball yan. Iwarak. Nabitiwan. Ayun na, Arabas dribbling the ball. Arabas lilipat. Basket count. Zapi. From 3. Sumablay and Consorte dribbling the ball. Consorte pa rin. Ayun, nag-isip. Gonzalez. Rabadon, open. Arabas. Basket count. Taha. Itinawid. Angat. Basket count. Kami from Taha. Consorte for 3. Sablay. Warat for the rebound. At merong foul na tinawag kay Balina number 34. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Taha. Pull up. It's good. Score 12-8. 14. Ayun lang. And Taha pa rin. Ilipad. Time out! Is it good, honey? Score 12-10. Last Taha.
Yung tres.
12 to shoot. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Rabadon. Sablay. Rebound. Taha. Leading the ball. Taha pa rin. Angat. Basket down. He scored. Deadlock at 12. Ayun na, tabla na. Gonzalez. Ayun, steal coming from Ismael. Ismael, akin na to. Zumablay. And Rabadon. Paso Rabas. And basket down coming from Rabas. Ayun na. Taha. Oh, may foul. Rabadon, number 22. Substitution. Ayun na.
Wag mo na.
Domination 40. Arabas, Rabadon, 8, 4-3. Bang! Rabadon, 4-3. Domination 24. Muhammad. Ayun na, Spike, 4-3. Sumablay, Rabadon, paso. Arabas, ayun na, sikat. Dribbling the ball. Paso Langka. Balina Oven. Back to Langka. Pirang padingding ngayon. Foul number 18.
Hoy, mag-prito na lang kaya kayo. Hoy, prito na lang kaya kayo.
Ayun na, Baek. Overshoot. Rebound. And Arabas with the ball. Arabas pa rin. Paso Rabadon, Portre, Kapos, Balinan for the rebound. At meron ng last touch. 13 to shoot. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na, sikat, Portre, sumablay. Ayun na, Rabadon. And sikat, dribbling the ball. Portre. Bang! Sikat, Portre. 1 minute and 12. He scored 20-12, 8-point lead, and Muhammad dribbling the ball. Pass to Sapi. 12. Portre. Sumablay. Paik for the rebound. Paik. Ayun na angat. Oh, jump ball. Bola na yung sneakerheads. Bola na yung sneakerheads. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
10 lang. Yung sinabi na rin yung sindi natin.
Ayun na, Muhammad. Ayun, tapikan. Ayun na. And Araba, Sablay, Sikat for the putback. Ang ganda nung assist na yun. 37 seconds remaining. Muhammad. Pass to Zapi, open. Portre. Bang! Zapi, Portre. 24 seconds. Arabas, dribbling the ball. Arabas pa rin. 15. Sikat. Angat. Kapos. Balinan. Good ball yan. Taha. Dribbling the ball. Ayun. At merong foul. Ay dinawag. Ay sikat. Penalty, penalty, penalty. 5 seconds remaining. Last draw. 5 seconds remaining. And Sablay. And that's the end of the first quarter. 22-16.
22-16. 16 is Sneakerheads. 22, it is good, honey. It is good, honey.
Isa lang ang goal nila. Tumira.
Ayun na, Sigat. Gonzalez. Sumablay. Ayun na. Iwarat. Ayun na. And Zapi in the ball. Pass to Padulyo. 14. Ayun lang. Ayun na, Sigat. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 26, Choppy. First personal foul. First team foul. And Branco, dribbling the ball. Perino for 3. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, ayun. Bola na yung Sneakerheads, bola na yung Sneakerheads. O, Kabibigay lang sa inyo eh. Second quarter. Ngayon na, Padulyo. Paso Zapi open. Portre. Bang! Zapi! Portre. And Ziga trim the ball. Paso Pirino. Paso Branco back to Pirino. Sumablay and Boss Batang for the rebound. Ayun na. Paso Padulyo. Ismael. Paso Zapi. Portre. Sumablay. Ayun na. Zapi ulit. Ayun. Still. Ayun lang. Tapon. Sabaw. And Zapi pa. Sikat for the still. Sikat. Portre. Sumablay, Ulangka, Sablay, Iwarat for the rebound. Pass to, ayun na, Zapi, Portre, Sumablay, Padulyo for the putback. It's good, 4-0. Warning for delaying the game. Kahit sadyain niya o hindi, warning pa rin yun. 7 minutes and 55, Siga. Pass to Pirino. Franco open, back to Pirino. 12. Siga, Portre. Bang! Siga, Portre. 25-21, 4-point lead. And Padulyo is in the way. 14. Pass to Ismael. Back to Padulyo open. Portre. Bang! Padulyo. Portre. 25-24. 1-point lead. And Pirino dribbling the ball. Naabitiwan. Sablay. Rebound. Agawan ng bola. Substitution. Ulangka. Ayun na, Branco. 10. Ayun, tapon sa baw. Ayun, Zapi Portre. Overshoot, rebound, tapikan, and Valencia pass to Iwarat, Sablay, Iwarat ulit, big, and basket down. Coming from Iwarat. At lumawang na ng isang sneakerhead. 26-25, Sikat, basket down. Oh, and is it good, honey, regain the lead. 27-26. Ayun, ganda naman ang break ni Ismael na yun. 28-27. Ayun na, Pirino. Basket count, going from Pirino. 29-28, 1-point lead. And Padulyo carrying the ball.
Oh, time out ko.
Substitution.
Wala, nagreklamo na ako.
Ayun na. Pirino. Oo, at meron ng foul. Ay dinawag. Ayun. Sa tuwito number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ayun na, Ulangka. Ganda ng assist. Franco for two. Padulyo, pass to Ismael. Back to Padulyo. Ayun, open ang gitna. Basket count. Ulangka dribbling the ball. 31-30. Ulang ka pa rin. Ayun, napaganda pa. Sablay. And Satuito doing the ball. Satuito erase. And Sikat. Sikat pa rin. Ayun, pinasa pa. Tapi ka, nagawa ng bola. Ismael. Oh, at meron ng foul. May tinawag kay number 9. Substitution. Ayun na, Flores. Paso sa Tuito. 14 to shoot. Ayun. Ayun na, ulang ka, lilipad. Basket count. 33-point lead for team. Is it good, honey? 3 minutes and 25. 14 to shoot. Paso sa Tuito. The floater. Oh, may foul. May tinawag yung number 23. Franco, substitution. Number 9. Cabrera, substitution.
Yan, ganyan. Huwag niyong pagsabayin. Hindi nag-aaway.
Oh, nandito pasok. Aming foul sa Tuito. Last throw. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Our next game for tonight, battle between Protect versus Danketsu. Sablay, Ryu.
Clear na clear si Iwara.
Ayun na, Sigat. Ulang ka. Paso Franco. Jump ball, bola ng is it good? Si Arabas na pala yun. Kala ko si Ulang ka, magkahulog. Ayun, Sablay, rebound, Iwarat. Ayun, Sigat. Sigat pa rin, angat, basket count. Ayun na. Flores, paso ta. 14. Paso Flores, for 3. Bang! Flores, for 3. Ayun na, Pirino. Ayun na, Sigat, for 3. Bang! Sigat, for 3. Ayun na, sa Tuito, Franco. Paas sa Pirino. Paas sa Sigat. Back to Franco. And Sigat, wait. Sumablay. Pirino. Sablay. Rebound. Ayun, tapikan. Ismael. And sa Tuito. Paas sa Taha. Erase. Rep. Supalpal. Oo. Time out, Sneakerheads.
Nakada niya sa palpal.
Correct, pag ganoon.
Kasi kita niya. Kita niya rito eh.
Automatic yan.
Correct niya. Tulungan niya.
Kasi dito nakikita eh. Doon. Oh, yun doon hindi makikita sa lalim eh.
Kaya nga napunta doon. Kasi tumawag eh. 13 to shoot.
Ayun na, Ismael. Pass to Flores. 10. Satuito. The floater is good for serve. 38-36, 1 minute and 25. And Gonzalez pass to Rabas. Sikat open. Sumablay Satuito for the rebound. Pass to Flores. And Flores win the ball. Pass to Satuito. Pass to Ismael. The pull-up supply. Arabas win the ball. Arabas pa rin. Angat. And one. Basket down. Foul number 91. Ismael. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution.
Unang foul mo pa lang. Isa pa lang.
Bonus shot for Arabas. Sablay. Ayun. Palinan. Sumablay. Gonzalez for the putback. 42-36. 51 seconds. Ayun na. Flores. 14 to shoot. Ayun na. Break. For Drake. Bang! 32 seconds remaining. Fourteen to shoot. Oh. Ground ball. Taha. Warning for penalty. 19 seconds remaining. Shot clock 14. Arabas. Sumablay. And Arabas uli. Ayun lang. Tapon sa bao. 12 seconds. Ayun na, Flores. Pasita. 7. And sumablay. Wara sablay. And that's the end of the second quarter. Is goal 42-39 in favor of Is It Good Honey.
Is it good, honey? 42. Sneakerheads 39. 39 pa dito. Ayun.
Kaya ano yung tirasan?
Ito ka dito yung isa.
Tissue ito. Tissue, basahin mo lang ng konti.
Bola ng Sneakerheads.
Sabay din mo, gaaway na naman yun. Walang uli.
Ayun na, Pirino. And still coming from Taha. Pasi Warat. Back to Taha. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Namamasa naman Sabi niyo hindi. Namamasa naman. Konsorte. Balinan. Sablay, putback. Ayun, meron ng foul. Ay, number 26, Zappy. Substitution. Iwarat. Zappy, second personal foul. Ang basket kay Balinan 44-41. Ang Padulyo. Fordre. Sablay, Balinan for the rebound. Pirino dribbling the ball. Paso Consorte. And Consorte, paso Langka. 15 to shoot. Consorte open. Pass to Pirino. Gonzalez 10. The floater Sablay. And Gonzalez sumablay. At bola Simsim. 12 to shoot. Ayun na, Consorte for 3. Sumablay, rebound, tumali. And Israel pass to Taha. Taha drink the ball. And Taha, Bojo. 44-43. Consorte. Pass to Gonzalez. Open for 3. Bang! Gonzalez for 3. Ayun na, Taha. Dudukot, erase. And Gonzalez in the ball. Gonzalez pa rin ang basket count. Ayun na, tumali open. Kapos. Tumali ulit. And sumablay, Balinan, uy, Ulangka, at meron ng foul, pangatlong foul ni Zappy. Time out, Sneakerhead. Back to the ball game. Foul ka, Sapi. Pangatlo mong foul. Pangatlo mong foul. And Consorte doing the ball. Consorte pa rin. Balinan. Pass to Langka. Sablay. Consorte for the rebound. And Consorte pa rin. 10. Gonzalez open for 3. Sablay. Iwanat for the rebound. Pass to Padulyo. And Padulyo. Pass to Satuito. Ayun na. Satuito. Bojo. 49-45 ang ating score. 4-point lead. Or is it good, honey? Gonzalez. 14. Pasulang ka. Consorte open. Traveling. And 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Padulyo in the ball. Pass to Satuito. For 3. Sumablay. Ayun, nakialam. And Ulangka. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales, ayun. Gonzales pa rin. Pass to Ulangka. 10. Balinan. Good ball yan. Sumablay. And Padulyo. Dribbling the ball. May foul na. Kaya Gonzales. Number 5, pushing foul. First personal foul, first team foul. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Sapi. Forte to shoot. Satuito. Ayun lang. Oh. Consorte. Pass sa Balinan. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from Ulangka. Padulyo. Igot. Satuito. Basket count. Coming from Satuito. Ayun na, Consorte. Pass to Gonzales. Pass to Birino. Sumablay, tapikan, uy, tumama na sa brace. Oh. Substitution. Ulangka out. Gonzales, 12 to shoot. 5 minutes and 5, 12 to shoot. Ayun na. Traveling. Hindi nagmumura yan. Huwag ka maingay niya. Mamura ka ni manager, loko. 14. Ayun na. Valencia. Sumablay. Rebound. Sikat. Dribbling the ball. And sikat pa rin. Pass to Consorte. Pass to Ulangka. Back to Consorte for 3. Bang! Consorte Burtre. 54-47 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 20. This is our third quarter. And Sabi. 18 awed. Sabi Burtre. Bang! Bumubelo lang pala si Sabi nung lagay na yun. 54-50 ang ating score. 4 minutes remaining sa ating game clock. And Perino. Binawi ang tres. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun. Iwarat. Pass to Valencia. Valencia. Pass to Satuito. And Satuito. Sumablay. Good ball yan. And Sabi. Portre. Sumablay. Rebound. Consorte. Consorte din the ball. Consorte pa rin. Angat. Sablay. Valencia for the rebound. Pass to Sabi. And Sapi. Paso Padulyo. Time out. Is it good, honey?
Score po natin is good, honey, 54. Sneakerheads, 52. 52-54.
Ayun na, Arabas. Arabas pa rin, ganda ng assist. Balinon! And one. Basket count. Foul number 9 sa Tuyito. Second personal foul. Third team foul. And Balinan shooting for the bonus shot. Basket, coming from Balinan, 57-52, 3 minutes and 10. Ayun na, Padulyo. Portre. Sumablay, Balinan for the rebound. Pass to Sikat. And Sikat, ayun. Pani Carlo. Oh. Huwag niyong pamigay yung Pani Carlo. Oh. Huwag niyong pamigay. Ayun na, Balinan. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Iwanat. Pregnant foul. Iwanat first personal foul. Oh, nandira pasok. Last throw. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Last throw. Ayong basket, 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from Balinan. 59-52, 2 minutes and 45. And Padulyo. Ayun, still Balinan. Paso Arabas, ayun na. Sikat. Oh, mabagal yung pasa. And Padulyo doing the ball. Padulyo pa rin. Oo, yun lang. Substitution. Ayun na, Pirino. Sikat open. Portre. Sumablay, Balinan. For the big back. 61-52, 2 minutes and 10. And Taha doing the ball. Pass sa Turito. Back to Taha. Porten. Padulyo open. Portre. Sumablay. Rebound. Taha. Yun. Tumundot. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 12. Oh, mamaya. Hintayin nyo muna. Oh. Sabi pa yung foul eh. Nangano ko eh. Oh, yun. Sige. Ayun. Nice block. Gonzalez pass to Godinez. And Godinez in the ball. Ayun. Sablay. Muhammad. Naipit. Double dribble. Ayun na, Arabas. Pass to Sikat. Pull up, jumper, Sablay. And good ball yan, Taha. Ayun na. May foul na. And number 12, Godinez, second personal foul. 1 minute, 24 seconds. Ayun na, Muhammad. Itinawid. Taha, pull up. Sumablay, Iwarat. Sablay, ayun. May nanghawi. Si number 34, Balinan, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ayun na, Muhammad. 10. Taha. Nabitiwan sa Tuito. Iwarat. Sumablay. Gonzalez. Pass to Arabas. Ayun, 3-on-2 situation. Arabas. And Sikat. Basket down. 45 seconds. Seconds remaining, 19 to shoot. Ayun, good ball yan. And Arabas in the ball. Arabas pa rin. May foul na. Taha, number 6. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty na yan, penalty. Uh, 27 seconds remaining. Unang tira sa blind, last throw. Sablay, Warat for the rebound. Pass to Muhammad. Muhammad pass to Taha. Pass sa Tuito. Ayun, tabigan. Taha, open. Taha, Sablay, rebound sa Tuito. And Sablay, 7. 4. Almost but not quite. It's 63-52. 11 points led. For team, is it good, honey?
Snickerheads 52. It is good, honey. 63. 63-52. 63-52.
Back to the ball game. Our next game was tonight, battle between Danketsu versus Protect. And Perino winning the ball. Pass to Arabat. Arabat. Still coming from Taha. And Taha winning the ball. Taha raised to Bulyan. And Godinez winning the ball. Godinez Moran. Pull up. Sablay. Ismael winning the ball. Ismael pass to Zapi. Portrait. Sumablay, Araba, Zayun, last touch. Pwede correct yun. Puso nyo. Masyadong iyakin ba? Pambira. Ay na, Muhammad. May foul na dun, may foul na dun. Foul number 15, Arabas. Arabas first personal foul. Kung saan nagkaroon ng infraction, dun mo ilabas. Ay na, Sabi, open. Portrait. Sumablay, ay na, Sikat, reading the ball. And Sikat, angat, Sablay, Sikat uli, at meron ng foul. Naitinaw kay Ismael, number 91, second personal foul. First team foul. Fourth to shoot. Godinez. 10. 8 to shoot, 8 to shoot. Balinan is stepping on the line. Ayna Muhammad. Dinawed. 8 minutes 50. Ismail open. Back to Muhammad. 14. Zabi. 10. Iwarat. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 10, Perino. Bonus shot for Iwarat. First personal foul, the second team foul. Sablay. Ayun lang, last touch Ismael.
Lalaspat siya. Kapupunas lang yan eh.
And Perino doing the ball. Perino at meron ng foul. Ay dinawag kay Muhammad, number 17. First personal foul and Perino shooting two. Oh, nandito pusok. Last throw. Sablay wanted for the rebound. Pass to Muhammad. And Muhammad in the ball. Pass to Sapi. For two. At nagle-layup din pala si Sapi. Ayun na, Arabas. In the ball. Arabas pa rin. Tabiling. Same put. Kaya gusto nilang maupo doon sa tabi na yun. Salang-sala eh. Ano? Salang-sala. And Sapi! Bordra eh. 64-59. 5-point lead. Zikat. Pass to Godinez. Bola Simsim. 2 up to shoot. Sa baba pa lang may foul na. Sa baba pa lang may foul na. Foul number 17. Muhammad, second personal foul substitution. Ayun lang, nice stop coming from Padulyo. Basket down, time out. This is good, honey. Back to the ball game. Ayun na, Sigat, bringing the ball. Sigat pa rin. 14 to shoot. Arabas. Pass to Perino, open. 4 track. Foul number 9. Is it good? Cabrera. Second personal foul. Ayun na, Padulyo. Napasobra defense na. Bola nyo na. Bumabantay pa eh. Ayun na, Sapi. Fake. Sumablay. Nanulak. Foul number 9, Cabrera. Substitution. Ayun na, Badulyo. Open. Sumablay. Perino for the rebound. Pass to Gonzalez. And Gonzalez in the ball. Pass to Perino. 14 to shoot. Gonzalez open. 10. Gonzalez for 3. Sumablay. Iwanat for the rebound. And Iwanat train the ball. $19 to shoot. 6 minutes and 10. Iwanat. Back to Zapi. 4-3. Ay! Montig pang magkaroon ng 4-point play doon. Tatlong free throw yan. Foul number 15. Narabas. Second personal foul. Penalty na. Penalty. Ganon talaga tumira yun. Hindi niya sinasadya yun. Ganon talaga siya tumira. Nandira pasok. Dalawa pa. Last draw. Six minutes and 5. Substitution. Score tie game at 64 and 6 minutes and 2. Sikat him the ball. Sikat pa rin. Pass to Pirino open. 4-3. Bang! Pirino from downtown. 4-3. And Padullo. Driving the ball. 14. Pass to Valencia. 10. Pass to Padullo. 5-3 seconds violation. Opo kayo. Uy. Opo kayo. Ayun na, Pirino, dream the ball. Pass to Molina. Ayun na. Sikat! 4-0. 4 minutes and 54. Padullo. Foul yun. Foul number 15, Narabas. Third personal foul, penalty. Aga ng penalty. Di pa. Thrower. Padullo shooting 2. Substitution, Padullo out. Tatuito in. Ayun na, Gonzalez. Pass to Sikat. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 18. 08, sorry. 08. Substitution. One shot for Sikat. Sumablay and Ismael winning the ball. Pass to Satuito. Ayon still Rabas in the ball. Rabas pass to Sikat. Timeout. Snickerhead.
Score po natin. It is good, honey. 73. Snickers 65.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 8-point lead. Ball team. Is it good, honey? Ayun na, Taha, itinawid. Taha pa rin. Angat. Sumablay. Iwarat. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 34, Balinan. Third personal foul. Penalty. Umaamin na si Kiko eh. Kaso, yung Balinan ng foul. Nang tira sa fly. Last throw. Sablay, Pirino for the rebound. Pass to Balinan. Back to Pirino. And Pirino itinawid. Pass to Arabas. Arabas in the ball. 14. Good ball yan. Ismael for the steal. Ismael. And one. Basket count. Foul number 10, Pirino. Pirino's second personal foul. Bonus shot for Ismael. Ayun, Iwarat. Ayun, Sapi Gang sa tuwito. Sapi fake. Sapi 8. 5. Ayun, still, ayun na. And Zika Sumablay. 73-67, 6-point lead, 3 minutes and 27 sa tuwito. Reyes and Gonzalez pass to Zika. And Zika Brazil. 3 minutes and 15 sa tuwito. And Sablay sa tuwito yun. Tapon sa bao. Substitution. Sino ba palitan? Ayan. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Napalitan na. Offensive foul. Pass to Badulio. Open for 3. Sumablay. Iwarat for the putback. Sablay. 13 to shoot. Sabi for 3. Sumablay. Ayun, Arabas. Saving the ball. Pass to Pirino. And Pirino doing the ball. Pass to Sigat. Pass to Gonzalez. For 3. Sumablay. Ayun ay Ismael. Pass to Padullo. Padullo doing the ball. Pass to Sapi. Sapi angat. Oh, may foul na. Foul number 10, Pirino. Fourth personal foul. Unang tira pa lang, last throw. Sablay Ismael for the Bulldogs. 75-69, 6-point lead. And last 2 minutes. Arabas, Sablay, Perino, and one. Basket count. Foul number 6, Taha. Bonus shot. Taha, third personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Bonus shot, 1 minute 56. Sablay Ismael for the rebound. And Patulio. 18 win. Pass to Taha for 3. Sumablay. Bola ng Is It Good. 1 minute 43. Time out. Sneakerhead.
Score po natin. It is good, Honey, 77. Sneakerheads, 69.
Back to the ball game. 1 minute 43 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. Hindi. Last touch kayo eh. Last touch kayo. Last touch kayo. Ayun na, Arabas. 18 na wed. Arabas po rin. Paso Balinan. Ayun lang. Tapon sa baw. Substitution, Safi. Ayun na, Padulio. Saving the ball. Pass Ismael. 14. Ismael for 2. 1 minute 18. And Sikat receiving the basket. Pass to Balinan. Back to Sikat. Pass to Birino. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Birino. Basket down. Dina. And Taha. At meron ng foul. Meron ng foul na idinaw kay Sikat. Second personal foul penalty. 57 seconds. Unang tiro pasok kami from Taha. Last throw. 57 seconds. Both teams are in penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Basket. Ayun na, Arabas. Dribbling the ball. At may foul na, may foul na. Ay tinawag kay Padulio, number 6. Ay 16 pala parehos to.
Labas mo yung isang 6. Parehas pa lang sa 6 yan eh.
Parehas na 6. Labas yung isang 6. Labas mo yung isang 6. 52 seconds. Hindi namin napapansin eh. Parehas pala kayo sa 6 ni Taha. Walang technical yun. Penalty ang penalty. Oh, nandira pasok. Last throw. Basket coming from Arabas, 81-73, 8-point lead, 52 seconds. Ayun na. Taha. Pass Ismael. 14. Fake. Pass to Sapi. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Iwarat. Baligtad. And Balinan. Oh, nagpapapaul talaga yan. Kaya di binibitiw ang ball.
Six 5 daw eh.
30 segundos. Oh, nandito sa blind. Last throw. Trenta segundos. Basket. 30 seconds. Baik. Pass to Taha. Pass to Sapi. Basket count. 24 seconds. Meron ng foul. 19 seconds. Penalty. Down number 6. Fourth personal foul. Mag-ready na po, Danketsu versus Protect. O, nandira Baldog. Basket. 83-75. Ayun na, Taha. Sapi open, 4-3. Overshoot, Iwarat. Basket count. 12 seconds. Ayun na, bubukol ng 3. Bang! 3 seconds. 86-77. 3 seconds. 3 seconds pa rin yan. Uy, uy. Oh. Okay na. Tama yan na.
Panalo po ang It Is Good Honey.